How to fix Messenger video call sound on iPhone. So, the only step I could think of now is to update your Messenger app. To do that, you just simply go to your App Store, search for Messenger, and then you should go to Messenger right here and click on Update. However, if this method still doesn't work, then you may go to your settings, go to General, go to iPhone storage, and look for Messenger. So once you see Messenger, you may now go to search it first, Messenger. So you may now click on Offload App right here and click on Offload App. So what this will do is that it will remove all the cache of your Messenger, and then it will remove as well or repair the bugs on your Messenger on iPhone. So you just simply reinstall the app by clicking on it right here, and then that's it. That's how you can fix Messenger video call sound on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.